Today promises to be another great day for a ride. We've been looking forward to this weather change for quite a while. There's no chance of rain. Probably I would bring a rain jacket then. The weatherman has assured us it will be a beautiful day in the 60s. Perfect for riding. And we should be getting our muffler to finalize this restoration probably within this week or next week. I'll believe it when I see it though. I know how these things can be. I had my own business and they are really hit and miss. And you never know when Luciano or Mark Morgan is just going to say, let's have a two-stroke day. But those days, always a lot of fun. And of course, my goal is, with the collection of bikes I have, I like to ride them all. I don't have any particular sequence. I have a pitching rotation. And I like every day to be a little different than the day before, if possible. Now, it's one thing to, in the middle of the winter, when it's freezing cold, to go out on the, get all bundled up and go out there and freeze. But a day like today, when you know the weather is just totally cooperating, changes everything. It's even better. And today has one other special little meaning. Karen and I are celebrating our 28th anniversary today. So I was hoping this morning over breakfast she'd say, you know, honey, as an anniversary present, why don't we just go down to Motorcycle Mall and pick out another bike for you to add to your collection? Well, you know what? Didn't happen. But being the wonderful wife she is, she knows my passion for motorcycles. She endures what I put her through with all these paint jobs and all these, I don't even know how you would describe what our life is, what it has become. We have, in our retirement, we have found a nice little niche in the world. And it sure looks, as I get the bike ready, get ready to have my coffee, feed the animals, another blue skies, sunny day. Alright guys, I'm heading out to Wild Blue yonder. What are you doing? And as I'm getting the bike ready, looking over at Karen's garden. She is so happy with the garden this year. We're going to have a much nicer place to paint next year over the winter. But today is a riding day. So the other night, Karen was out at a craft thing, a fundraiser, and made this little thing to hang up my leather jacket when I come in the house, so I don't have to go inside the house with my dirty leathers on. Actually, it's pretty nice. And in my case, if you forget the coffee, you may as well forget the two-stroke oil too. You're not going to be going very far. And we have a special little treat out on our front porch. We have a pair of robins making a nest right in view of where we sit and have our lunch on the front porch.
So I got these guys on video. I passed them on 106. They were there doing their thing.
And of course, yeah, no, dude, you're not doing the right thing if you're riding with me. Show him the camera mount. Let me see. Look, he's got a windy camera mount there.
So I'm gonna be famous now.
You're famous now. I'm gonna call the cops right now. You guys, are you?
I'm your subscriber. So.
What's your name?
Alvin.
And what's your name?
Romel.
Ramel. Okay, nice bikes, beautiful bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I saw you, it's always good to pull over a little bit though. It's dangerous to pass there. That's a dangerous spot. These are the famous guys that watch windy videos, so you know they don't have a life.
2016 Roxton R.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Wow, I never had a Triumph.
I installed all. I black it out.
Yeah. I
did it myself.
Beautiful wheels. Yeah. I love spoke wheels. Oh my God, beautiful wheels.
Old rims.
And I went tubeless. Converted
Yeah. Wow. Beautiful bike. Wow. Beautiful paint even.
It's a 1200. The rims are.
See, my problem though, the paint is chipping. Although
that's the factory paint?
Yeah, OEM, yeah.
Wow.
The other side is not. Just this side.
They make ceramic paint, but it's a pain in the ass to put on, boy.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
It takes a lot of preparation.
See that? I told you the Valentine radar detector picks up military helicopters. They're closing in on us.
See? It's a video. It's a radio. So it has the speakers here. The one that connects it is the antenna. It's a Bluetooth communicator.
Okay, now this is, how do you make this turn on and off? You got a Bluetooth?
Oh, here, from here.
Oh, you just reach up and turn it. Okay.
You just press it.
And how much is this?
$350.
Wow, mine is $14.95. I think you win.
This is awesome.
Or a lot.
Yeah, you know, it's awesome. And then it's
I never saw this. This is news to me.
It's an intercom. Like
wow.
I can connect 10 other motorcyclists. We'll all communicate.
Oh, you all
at the
talk.
same time.
Yeah. I don't want to hear what my friends have to say.
I've been telling my friend to buy an intercom for the last 2 years and he never buys one.
No, I don't want to talk. My friend listens to opera when I ride. I don't want to talk. I just want to hear the engine.
Man.
With a bike like
Oh, I gotta see if I got that video of that deer jumping over the... He crossed the road right in front of me. Hey, your bike looks great. What can I say? What can I say?
It's like a freaking showroom condition.
They got
Is this faster than my GS, you think, or
I
same?
don't know.
Pretty 100 horsepower.
89.
Yeah, it's about like a GS. Well, it looks like we got some other criminals coming up here. Oh, here's the two guys. There they are.
The Chinese guys.
Hey!
They're going.
That's the guys I met up by Hawk's Nest. Yeah,
Listen to the chain. Listen to the chain.
Let's see if he does a burnout. Come on, hit it, hit it! And he misses a shift! The asshole misses a shift! Jose,
lot of
you're
noise.
starting to look like a smart guy.
Oh my God.
You know how many bikes I could buy for what that car cost?
Yeah.
So Charlie Ducati has got his new V4, and guess what? He comes out on his old bike. What does that tell you? You need to test ride your V4. Make sure the tires are just scuffed in right.
I wish I could.
When you pick it up?
I thought my red one, my Super Sport, was the greatest thing in the world.
Nah, the V4 is better.
But then you get on something newer.
Of course.
And all of a sudden, I don't like my red one as well.
Guess what's going to happen next year?
That's the same thing.
Ask Bill. He buys a bike every 2 minutes. It's true. Isn't it true?
You know, insurance, registration. Yeah, that gets expensive. It's a hobby. Yes.
This must be newer than mine. What year is this? What year is this? A 6?
6, wow.
I have a 9.
It's a 13-year-old.
Yeah, that's a nice shape. Wow.
Wendy, you're a man for design. What do you think of the red on the rims?
It's personal choice.
Well, what do you? Well, I mean,
I like it,
yeah,
but
I like it too. Doesn't mean.
but you know, that doesn't mean you're gonna like it.
It beats better than just black.
Well, you know, you buy me a burger up there, we'll drive.
Here's the test. Anything shiny beats anything flat.
That's not
Yeah.
true.
That there's no such thing as flat and pretty. They don't go in the same sentence, right, Bill?
I
Bill
think
agrees with me. Look at the shiny. Look at the paint on this thing. Holy crap! Like I did it. Unbelievable. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice paint makes
Well,
a
yeah,
bike.
he has a coat over that.
Another spectacular day. Wow, meeting some new friends, hanging out in 2 different places, and almost getting drilled by a deer. Quite a day. Anyway, hope you enjoyed sharing our ride, and thanks for watching.